Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to clear Safari search history on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on Safari. Now, scroll until you see Clear History and Website Data, then tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to clear history and data, then tap Clear History and Data to confirm. This will remove your browsing history, cookies, and other website data from Safari. If you only want to clear history for a specific time frame, open Safari itself. Then tap the book icon, then clock tab history, then tap peer at the bottom and choose last hour, today, today and yesterday, or all time. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.